isang sistema na makakatulong sa inyo, lalo na kung ikaw yung nagnenegosyo ngayon. Katulong tong sistema na ginawa ko, which is ang tinatawag na Etosphere Media. Isang online agency na mag-boost ng income mo sa negosyo mo. Pero bago yan lahat, ako nga po pala si Roberto ito. Ang pangalan po ng agency na to is Etosphere Media. What is Etosphere Media? It's a cutting-edge advertising and digital marketing agency dedicated to helping business thrive in today's dynamic media landscape. Our team combines creativity, strategy, and technology expertise to craft compelling campaigns that resonate with audience across multiple platforms. From social media management and content creation to search engine optimization and digital advertising, we tailor our service to meet the unique needs of each client with a focus on innovation and result-driven strategies. Etosphere Media is your partner in achieving digital success. Pero bago dyan, di ba nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina what is ang Etosphere Media, at nabanggit ko rin sa inyo yung tinatawag na Social Media Marketing Agency or SMA. What is Social Media Marketing or what is Social Media Marketing Agency? These agencies leverage the power of social media platforms to enhance brand visibility. Engage with audience and achieve specific marketing objectives such as increasing sales, generating leads, or improving brand loyalty. Okay? They tailor strategies to the unique needs of each client, considering factors like target audience, like Facebook audience, industry trends, and the client overall marketing goals. Yun po ang ibig sabihin ng social media marketing agency or SMA. Isang team na magmamanage sa account mo para mag-boost yung income mo. Hindi mo na kailangan na mag-hire pa ng individual na tao para gagawa ng mga social media content mo. Ikaw yung customer, tapos may business ka, o kaya may products ka. Okay, yung sabi ko sa inyo kanina is social media accounts na gusto mo na hindi mo na ma-manage kasi sobrang busy mo ng tao. So kailangan mo mag-manage, kailangan mo ibang mag-manage na maaasahan mo kapag manage ng social media accounts mo. Isa sa may offer namin sa inyo is natawag na Facebook advertising. Kung may product kang gustong ibenta ngayon guys, kami ang gagawa, kami mag-a-advertise ng product na yan. So parang ganito guys, company or customer, isa kang may-ari ng gym, tapos gusto mo pang i-boost yung income mo gamit ang advertising. May produkto ka, gusto mong ibenta, kuha ka ng maraming leads, maraming customer. O baka isa kang YouTube content creator na naghahanap ka ng mga tao na mag-edit ng video mo. Kami na bahala dun i-edit. Sabihin mo lang kung anong klaseng edit ng gusto mo. Kami na mismo gagawa ng paraan nun. Ito yung mga benefits kung bakit kailangan mo makig-connect sa agency. Ito yung una, access to expertise and experience. Deep knowledge benefit from our comprehensive understanding of various social media platforms, their algorithm, and how to craft content that resonate with your target audience. Proven strategies, leverage strategies that have been tested and refined across diverse campaigns and industries, ensuring you employ tactics that are known to work. Next, creative and innovate content. So, creative dahil na-experience na nila kung paano i-adjust yung mga content na yun. Creative and innovate content. Fresh perspectives. Our team bring fresh, innovate ideas to the table, helping your brand stand out in a crowded digital landscape. Quality productions gain access to high-quality content production, including graphics, videos, and writing content, tailored to each platform and your brand voice. Efficient and effective management. Time savings. Free up your internal resources by outsourcing the time-consuming tasks of content creation, posting, and community management. And also consistency. We ensure your social media presence is consistent and professional, helping to build trust and loyalty among your audience. Cost effectiveness, ROI focus. Our strategies are designed to maximize your return on investment, ensuring that your social media spend drives tangible results. Reduce overhead. Avoid the overheads associated with building in a house team, including recruitment, training, and ongoing expenses. Working with us means partnering with a team that genuinely invested in your success. Our goal is to make social media channels a cornerstone of your marketing strategy, driving engagement, awareness, and conversion in ways that align with overreaching business objectives. Let's collaborate to unlock the full potential of your social media presence. So, did you hear today about SMA o social media marketing? Social media is managed ng mga social media mo. This parang pareho lang siya sa mga company dito sa Pilipinas na nag-hire ng mga call center agent o nag-hire sila ng mga tao na magtatrabaho sa kanila para sa client nila sa ibang bansa. The same lang din po sa agency na to is hindi po siya call center, hindi po siya ganun. And ang dito is servicing, so pag-manage ng social media accounts mo, pag-manage ng paggagawa ng Facebook advertising mo, and ayun. Thank you for watching this video. Please visit my website para sa iba pang information.